الرحيم وبه نستعين سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. عن سعيد بن الخدري رضي الله تعالى عنه أن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: إذا خرج ثلاثة في سفر فليؤمروا أحدهم. رواه أبو داود وحسنه الألباني. In morning session we already got these things, that traveling has a lot of benefits. Among of it remove our burdens, provides us relaxation from depression, and it is a unseparated part of a human's nature. Because you know, superpower is America. It's also discovered by Columbus, Amerigo. Our nation also discovered by Vasco da Gama. As it is, whatever we read in our books, reading and getting knowledge after reading book and traveling and observing by our physical eyes, physical parts of bodies is so big difference. In this hadith, whatever I recited in front of you, our companions of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Sayyid Khudri, may Allah be merciful on him, he narrated that our beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, peace be upon him, told us, commanded us, when three people go for tour, set out on a tour, on a journey, they should have appoint one of them as a leader. As already P.C. sir mentioned us another maybe 2 days ago. I will tell you some etiquette. There are lot of manners etiquettes regarding traveling rules and regulation. Just I will mention you 2 or 3 points. First of all, whatever you mentioned in the hadith, when we go for tour, we should have appoint a leader. As everything is scheduled here, you know. Second thing, when we will go out from our houses, means INS building, we should have recite supplication duas when going out from the house. You know already, Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allah la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Bismillah, in the name of Allah, tawakkaltu ala Allah, I put trust in Allah, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. There is no might, no power except by Allah. First point is, we have appointed our leaders, means mentors, monitors, everything. Second point is, when we go out from our houses, INS building, we will recite this dua. Bismillah tawakkaltu ala Allah la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Third thing is, vehicle is standing in front of us at this time when we are getting on the bus, when we are going to get on the bus. We will step out our right leg and decide just Bismillah in the name of Allah. It is our third point. Fourth point is, when we will comfortable and sit on the bus is sitting, we will sit there. There is special dua we will recite, special dua for traveling, as you have memorized, and right now 1 minute ago you have observed and told this. This is Alhamdulillah, all praise be to Allah. Subhanallah alladhi sakhara lana, glory be to Allah who provided us the vehicle. Sakhara hada wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin. Without our power, our might, our ability, Allah has provided us this vehicle. Wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. And same thing Allah repeated, wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. Human being never forget that our return, our final return is towards Allah. We keep in our mind that every time our final return is into Allah. We have once, sooner or later, we have to stand up in front of Allah. Inshallah, we will save ourselves from doing nonsense, from doing illegal works. At last, I pray to Allah, Allah, strengthen us, give us the ability, power, that we can live our life according to Quran and Sunnah, and we will get success in this world and the hereafter. Ameen wa akhir dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.